Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video we are going to see about how to display the next character of the string. If the particular string is A, B, C, D, we want to display the next character of A as B and B C and for D for E. If you want to display the next character, alternative next character of the particular string, we want to display that program in this video. Okay friends, let's move on to this video. I am taking the string from the user by using the input of function. Enter the string. And I store it into the particular variable given string. Then I am going to convert the given string variable into lowercase format, because the user might have given this string in uppercase format, that we don't know, so we have to convert the string into lowercase format. Then and I am taking then empty string result string. Okay, I am taking the empty string in the result string variable. Then I am going to search each and every character in the given string. For that I am applying the for loop for I in given string. Then I am going to search the string where is the given string variable is present and what is the next character of the character. For that, previously Control C, I am taking an empty string. The empty string after the next character of the particular character should be added in the result string. That's why I have taken this result string. Then I want to find out, by applying this we have to know about the two functions. There are char of and od of. This function is used to convert the integer into character. That means the alphabetical order, in the alphabetical order A is 1, first position, and B is 2 and so on. Okay, so like that. This function is used to convert the integer into character. If the integer value is 1, so this function converts this 1 into character A, and vice versa. The order function used to do the same case reverse. Okay, that means the convert the character into an integer. That means if the character is B, then it will display that this function is to convert the B value into 2, and finally it will display the value result as 2. These are the main two important functions we have used here. Okay, then first the user has given the variable string in the character format only. So first, which function we will move to use it, order function, because this convert the character into an integer. By converting the, after converting the integer only, we can find out the next character of the integer, next integer value of the character. That's why first we have used the order function. Odd of I. Then want to display the next position of the character, so plus, next position means plus 1. Then okay, so in this position we are converting, suppose we are, for example, have taken the a, so a is the first position. By applying this, a will be present inside the order function, so a is the first value, so 1 will be assigned here, then 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Okay, then we want to display the character, want to display the result in the string format, so I am applying the character of function. By applying this, initially 2 is given inside, so by applying this, character of 2 means it will convert the integer variable into character, so 2 means b. Okay, finally I am storing this variable into result string. Got it? And I am going to store this variable, print the variable, the result of the given store the variables and store the program, save the program, enter the string. I am giving the string a, run module apple. See, the next character of a is b and p is q, l is m, e is f. These are other program. That's it, friends. These are other two important points we have to keep it in our mind. So by using this, we have to convert the, we can able to find out the next character of the given particular string. Okay. If you have any doubts, just leave your comment in the comment box. If you like this video, hit the like button. And if you want more videos like this, subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share this program to your friends. Thank you, friends.